welcome back. Scott from Wessex Blades. I've just managed to undo most of the tape in this box for this unboxing, so we should be able to get straight on with it. Box within a box, cardboard box within a box. There we are. So put that down there a minute. Yes. So despite the fact that I am an affiliate with Olight, this lot decided to offer this up for testing, which I shall lovingly abuse and test. So let's see what it is. I don't know if there's a battery in there or whether it's rechargeable or what. It's quite large. So hexagonal. Oh, it's rechargeable by the look of it. Okay, looks like a C. Power 3.7 volts at 3000 amp. Is there a battery in there? Okay, so it has a lanyard set of holes. And we have a 18650 battery in there, cap up that way. Let's just see if it turns on, or whether there's one of those cappy things. I much prefer being a suck it in C than so maybe there's a charging thing, or maybe there's a cap on the end of the end. Maybe there's deliberately sent flat. So let's get that charged up for a review. The initial unboxing at least. It's very tidy. It's odd that it's hexagonal in section. Very comfortable. Sort of, it's the size that I like, in that it's just over fist sized. So what else is in the box? It's quite a deep box. Oh, we have a very nice pouch. We have a lanyard and some warranty stuff. So they offer a 30 days free replacement, 24 months free repair, and a limited lifetime warranty. I should be putting that to the test. Bedungen Slangleitung. Say my German is pretty ropey. So charge it up, and then a lanyard. It looks to be, it goes on a bicycle as well. So anyway, let's get this charged up and see what the capabilities are. But for now, it's a Velcro based, and they give a charging cable as well. That's very handy. Is that a C type, is it? So there's the end, and there's the, no, it's a B, I think it is. The sort of slanted trapezoidal ones. Yes, so they've approached me. I said, yeah, I'm up for it. So, obviously what I'm used to is a magnetic base. Clippy-on-y thing with the with my Olights, but yeah, I'll give this a fair shot, and get back to you as soon as I get it charged up. See how we go. But got some bad experiences with these rubber USB cover pouch flap access things. But anyway, let's give it a shot and put it through its paces. So thanks for joining me again. Scott Wessex Blades on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for joining me. Okay, managed to get it to work. So, oh. Okay, got a bit of a beacon thing going on there. And then off. Okay, it's flat. Right, managed to get it to work. That's good. So, strange. But you still get two colours in it. What a strange. Right. Try again. Right, this is like 6 hours later. I've still got both lights shining in this thing. Don't know. Well, leave it charging overnight, see what happens. This is what I'm finding, it's just... Oh, it's so hit and miss. Oh, I've had enough of that now.